The story of Fidgety Philip. Let me see if Philip can be a little gentleman. Let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table. Thus spoke in earnest tone the father to his son, and the mother looked very grave to see Philip so misbehave. But Philip, he did not mind his father, who was so kind. He wriggled and giggled, and then, I declare, swung backward and forward and tilted his chair just like any rocking horse. Philip, I am getting cross. See the naughty, restless child, growing still more rude and wild, till his chair falls over quite. Philip screams with all his might, catches at the cloth, but then that makes matters worse again. Down upon the ground they fall. Glasses, bread, knives, forks, and all. How Mamma did fret and frown when she saw them tumbling down. And Papa made such a face. Philip is in sad disgrace. Where is Philip? Where is he? Fairly covered up, you see. Cloth and me are lying on him. He has pulled down all upon him. What a terrible to do! Dishes, glasses snapped in two. Here a knife and there a fork. Philip, this is naughty work. Table also bare and poor Papa and poor Mamma look quite cross and wonder how they shall make their dinner now. The poem is about a boy, Philip. He is a young boy. He is very naughty and restless. The poem is set up in his house where he, along with his father and mother, sit down for dinner. He continuously fidgets with all the things that are kept on the table. He bangs the forks and spoons. He bangs the table with his fists. He kept on rocking his chair. He even fidgets with the food. However, his father and his mother kept on asking him to settle down peacefully, but it seemed to be impossible for the boy to sit down for the dinner properly. He kept on rocking his chair, and resultantly, his chair lost balance and he fell. But while he was falling down, he somehow got hold of the tablecloth. When he held the tablecloth tightly, he not only himself fell down, but all the items that were kept on the table were also pulled across and they also fell down. All the forks and spoons, the candle stand, the dishes, as well as the food were on top of the boy while he was himself lying on the floor. When they tried to look for him, they found him under the tablecloth with all the items that had spilled upon the boy. Now, the parents were really angry, but they were also sad and worried because they did not have anything to eat in the dinner now.